Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Algorand. On a weekly time frame chart, Algorand has broken out a very big falling wedge pattern, and after the breakout, you can see that it has reached a quite long-term resistance on that starts from 25 cents and goes to 30 cents. And previously, this level has been working as a strong resistance on here, supports on here for several months. And after the breakdown in the month of November 2022, you can see that since then it is working as a very strong resistance on regards stable rejections here. And now for the past several months, it is getting rejected by this resistance on. And this resistance on is also working as a neckline of a very big and huge inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the formation of the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And this resistance on is working as a neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. You can see that for the past several months, it is working as a very strong resistance. And now we have finally broken out the resistance of this lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. And right now the price is trying to break out this upper bands of this Ichimoku bearish cloud resistance. We also have a quite long-term support of EMA 21, this moving average, this red line, that is also breaking as a nice support. And right now the price is about to test this level at this EMA 21 as a support once again. And we will also watch this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. That's our analysis. And by the way, if you would like to see how my trading signal worked, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Algorand that I shared with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 25% pump. And by the way, this move I shared in the previous month of March on 19th of March 2024. And you can see it was completing the final leg of this harmonic bullish reversal crab move with US dollar pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line this time moved slightly down than this potential reversal on here and formed a double bottom, then recovered back very soon, and then it pumped almost 25%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Algorand, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. And you can see that price line has already broken out a very big falling wedge pattern. In fact, before breaking out this wedge, I've been showing you this very long-term resistance of this wedge, and I've been telling you that now there is a very high probability, because the movement was quite sweet, that the Algorand may soon break out the resistance of this wedge, and then we can expect a very long-term bull run of Algorand. And so far, by the way, from this low to here, Algorand has rallied more than 302%. But right now, you can see it is struggling to break out this quite long-term resistance of that starts from 25 cents and goes to 30 cents. Previously, this level has been working as a resistance here, support here for several months. And after the breakdown, it is flipped into a strong resistance. But there is also a very big and huge formation of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. Therefore, there is a probability that it may break out this resistance on that. It's also working as a neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. And at the same time, we also have a quite long-term support of EMA 21 on this 7 days time frame chart. And you can see that since it has broken it out, it is working as a nice support here and here. And now we are about to test this level, this EMA 21 as a support once again. At the same time, you can see that it is also trying to break out this very long-term resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud resistance. That cloud is now flipped into a bullish cloud. Therefore, this time it can also break out this cloud, and it can also work as a long-term support for the price line for of Algorand. And now if we take a look at the targets, then target for the breakout from this inverse head and shoulder pattern can be here. That will be approximately at $1.10. And the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That can be between $2.60 to $3. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.